This short video covers the Corsa D hydraulic tappets, how they work, how to clean them, and how to remove and refit them without removing the camshafts. Basically, hydraulic tappets have an internal spring ball valve system. It bleeds air out and lets oil into the tappet until it's taken up all the gap between the valve and the rocker arm. After the gap has been removed, the tappet is in a state of hydrostatic lock, meaning the ball valve is closed. The oil is incompressible, ensuring that the exhaust or inlet valve opens and closes fully and correctly without any tapping noises. On the Corsa, you can remove a tappet by levering the rocker arm out to one side, then holding it in place. You might do this if you forgot to bleed the tappets before you fitted the camshafts, or simply to replace them with new ones. I made a hook tool to make it easier for me to hold the rocker arm out of the way. It can be a bit fiddly. I used Tappets to mark each tappet as I did them. Inspect the tappet for wear or damage to any of its surfaces, then twist the top plunger to ensure that it rotates freely. Check to see if the tappet is locked, meaning it can't be compressed and isn't spongy with air in it. Using a small drill, upside down, insert it into the top of the tappet and gently press down to release the ball check valve. Compress the plunger several times to expel the oil, then insert the tappet into the cleaning fluid. I'm using WD-40. Thin oil, diesel or petrol will also do it. Keeping the drill bit opening the ball check valve, work the plunger in and out several times to clean out any remaining oil and dirt. Once you are confident all the oil and dirt has been cleaned out, remove the drill, work the tappet, allowing it to fill with the cleaning fluid. It should then be locked and incompressible. Purge the tappet of liquid. It is now ready for refitting. Refit the tappet in the reverse order of removal. That is, hold the rocker arm out of the way, drop in the tappet, then lever the rocker arm back onto the tappet. Again, this can be fiddly, especially if the rocker arm comes off the valve. It's important to note that the tappet is refitted back into the cylinder head in the purged empty fluid situation. This ensures the valve is fully closed. When the engine starts, engine oil pressure floods oil into the tappets, taking up the slack, removing the rocker arm to valve gap. Obviously, on initial startup, the tappets will rattle for a couple of seconds.